Okay, for part 2 of the video, assume you're given numbers that are multiplied by the radicals, and you're supposed to simplify that. What you must pay attention to in these kind of questions is that the numbers that are outside the radicals, they are actually multiplied by the radicals. So when I say, for instance, for part A, 3 radical 18, or 3 times under root 18, this can be actually written as 3 times under root 18. That's the same thing. So that can be written as this. And you remember from the previous video what we said about simplifying square root of 18. We said first you need to write 18 as the pair of product of a perfect square number and another number. And as we said, 18 can actually be written as 2 times 9, because 9 is the perfect square number. And so at this stage here, we know that we can actually find a whole number that is square root of 9, but we cannot find a whole number as a square root of 2. So in that case, as a 9 under root 9 can be actually written as 3. So instead of writing under root 9, we can actually write this as 3 under root 2, because that's the simplification of under root 18. Now at this stage here, we're actually supposed to multiply the number that was originally there, that was this number here, 3. So that 3 is going to be multiplied by this 3 that is out here, because this is a number outside the radical. So the numbers outside the radicals can be multiplied by themselves, and that is what we're going to do. So we have a 3 times 3, that is going to be 9, and then we have radical 2. We're going to just plug that one here, and this is our answer to that. So therefore under root 3 times under root 18 is the same as 9 under root 2, and that is it. Okay, for part B, also the same thing. This 4 is going to be multiplied by under root 27, and we already found under root 27 in the previous part of this video. So to just recap that, this can be actually written as 4 times under root 27, but under root 27 can also be written, instead of writing under root 27, we can actually write that as 9 times 3. So under root 9 times 3. In the under root 9 times 3, we can actually find the square root of 9, which is 3, and we cannot find a whole number square root of 3. So we are going to leave that as it is. So what we have here is actually 4 times, and square root of 9 is 3, and then we have under root 3 that was inside there. That's it. So we can multiply whole numbers because they're outside the radicals, and in this question here, that yields 4 times 3, that is going to be 12, and then we have under root 3. We are going to plug it there, and this is it. So therefore 4 under root 27, that is the same as just writing 12 under root 3. That's that. Part C. Instead of writing 392, let's see, 392 can actually be written as 1 times 392, or it can also be written as 2 times this is 1, or it can be written as 2 times 196, or this can actually be written as 4 times 94, right? Okay, or this also can be written as by 2, that is going to be that. So this is 8 times 49. Okay, So at this stage here, we actually could see a perfect square number, that is 49. So we are going to use this pair. So in our question there, part C, instead of having 190, 392 under the radical, we can actually write that as, so this is going to be written as 1 over 7 times under root 8 times 49. Okay, and also 8 itself can also be written as a product of a perfect square number. And that could be written as 1 over 7 times under root, and that is going to be 2 times 4 times 49. So 392 can be written as 2 times 4 times 49. So inside that, we have two perfect square numbers, and that is 4 and 49. And we can actually find square roots of those. So we can find the square root of 4, we can find the square root of 49, but we cannot find a whole number, the square root of 2. So that is going to remain as it is. So this is going to be written as 1 over 7 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 49, that is 7, times square root of 2. That's it. And when we multiply here, because we have 1 over 7 times 7 there, that can be cancelled out because these are fraction. This is a fraction multiplied by a whole number. This can cancel out. Our final answer is going to remain as 2 square root of 2. And that's it.